Hello again, and now finally part 4 of 4 for April 14th, 2020. We begin with a corollary from the big theorem that we just proved, and the corollary is this. If G is any graph with n vertices and m edges, and m and n are positive integers, and m is bigger than or equal to n, then it has to have a circuit. Then G has to have a circuit. Let's look at the proof. It is a proof, again, by contradiction. We're getting a lot of mileage out of that, aren't we? So suppose not. That is, suppose there is a graph G with n vertices and m edges where all those conditions were satisfied, m was bigger, and it does not have a circuit. Well, you let these be the connected components of G, G1 through GK. And let N1, N2 through Nk be the number of vertices in each of those respectively. Because each of those are connected components of G, N, the degree of the number of vertices, has to add up to the same number of vertices when I add them across all those connected components. Since G does not have a circuit, none of G1, G2, or GK have circuits either, or else G would have. So since each is connected, each is a tree. Connected, no circuits. So that means the number of edges in each one is Ni, and this should be Ni, and then it goes out of the subscript -1. Now because G is composed of its connected components, the number of edges of G is equal to the summation of the number of edges of each of those connected components, Gi, and each of those, since they're all trees, is N1 minus 1, N2 minus 1, plus Nk minus 1. And so that is going to mean that this adds up to N minus K. But N minus K is less than N. So that is a contradiction, and the corollary is now proved. Here are two problems for the road. The first is, what is the total degree of a tree with n vertices, and explain why. And I hope to maybe talk about these briefly next time. And this next problem really deals with verifying the final piece of Cayley's result about saturated hydrocarbon molecules, and that the maximum number is 2K plus 2. Now you have to follow these steps, and it does refer back to this problem. And so that's what are the two problems for the road. For now, and now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It will make you strong. Take care of yourself and of each other. Thank you. Bye-bye.